Hi everyone, this is the first stage of the fiber connection project here. As I see it, they have been already digging around the neighborhood here, but now on our house is just over here, and they are digging a hole to find the end of the there's a pipe going to the house, and they could feed in the fiber cable into the existing pipe, which has a coaxial cable in it already. So I'm hoping they will find it, but they just told me that they need to fetch a machine to dig a bit faster. They just started with a few shovels. Here there is a, what's this called? This is a cable avoidance tool here, and they fed a cable into the pipe from under the house, and they call it a sonde or something like that, which is they found it with this cable avoidance tool. It was beeping around here, and they tried to find, but they said it might be 0.5 meters, but it might be 1.5 meters, and they said with shovels it's a bit hard to dig deeper, and I guess now it's somewhere in between 0.5 meter and 1 meter. So I'm hoping that when they come back they find the end of the cable. I'll let you know in the next video how it goes, so please consider subscribing to the channel if you want to hear more about the fiber connection project and the different stages in the project. So hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.